What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you a little trick, how to flood your computers with folders. So basically this is called folder bomb. So it can create up to 10,000 folders with just a couple of seconds. And this video is for educational purpose only. Use this trick at your own risk. So here's first thing what we need to do. We need to click on start and type notepad. Open your notepad. And then you'll have to type in a notepad this following command, and I will put this command in the description below. And then we need to click on the file and we need to press on save as, and right here just change it to all files, and then let's name it something like folder bomb.bat. We have to make sure we add .bat at the end, and then we'll save it to desktop and then click on save. That's it, we can close this. And now let's create a new folder where we're gonna execute this file. Just gonna leave it new folder, double click on it, and then I'm gonna drag it and drop it over here. And now I'm gonna double click on it. Wait a few seconds, and then I'm just gonna press on Control C. And then this is gonna terminate this process. Press yes and then enter. And that's it. Look, with just under like 5 seconds, it created 6,219 folders. Use this trick at your own risk. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.